How you doing, Dallas?
Another day.
Hey guys, so we are back in the garage. Some of you told us on the comments that we look like brothers. So check it out today. We have these new mechanic shirts on with the sponsors and Stay Motivated and Dirt and Iron on the other side. So now we look like brothers, right? Alright my friends, we are stoked that we met again here in Dirt and Iron garage, and we'll be working on this build, continue working on the build. And today the biggest thing that we're gonna do is to install wire harness, and that's the thing that is slow, not a lot of fun, and we have to check a bunch of old pictures to make sure that everything is routed correctly. So Dallas, you have your phone, right, with all the pictures you took?
Yeah, somewhere,
yeah. So let's see how it goes. Stay around, and not only the wire harness, we have other things we're gonna do, but the major thing is wire harness. We're not gonna bore you showing you all the little things we do with the wires, but that's the major thing we're gonna do today. And then we're gonna put more plastics on this thing, and I think towards the end of the video it will look like a bike, so stick around. So we got the most difficult part behind us. The harness is done. What do you think, Alice?
wasn't that bad.
Wasn't that bad, right? So he did most of the work. I was just behind the scene. And also what we installed is the catch can for a radiator, IMS catch can. Sometimes you can slide those things inside in the frame between the radiators, but this frame is a little bit different, so we had to run the hose, route it together with the wires, back in the airbox, drill a little hole, and then put the catch can back in here. So now we can go and slow technical riding. You can overheat a little bit. Nothing too bad should happen. We are going to use this upgraded look from 2020 Husky, and the pattern is a little bit different, so we had to get a bracket from Sycra. I think this is like 50 bucks from their website, and then it will allow you to use newer style fenders on the older bikes. I would say we are almost 90% done. Hey guys, check out this front look, that upgraded 2020 look with Baja design light. I think it looks incredible. We got quite far today. We were very close. We were talking to maybe try to start the bike, but I think that would be something for the next video. So next time you see me and Dallas, we will be putting some fluids in this bike and trying to start it. So check out this bike, how it's coming all together, all the colors, the contrast you see, all the parts we used. I think it looks incredible. Guys, let me know below in the comments how you like it so far, what you think about this build so far. Maybe something that you would do differently if this is your build. Definitely looking forward to get your feedback. And don't forget, my friends, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later.